we're going to go ahead and get started with our circle time. We've had our lunch. We're sitting on our square, and we're standing up to say the Pledge of Allegiance. Our right hand is on our heart, eyes are on the flag, and we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Same hand goes to our side, and we say, I am somebody. I will succeed in school and life. I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we will reach our dreams. Making good choices? All right. We're sitting on our bottoms, crisscross applesauce. We're looking at the calendar. And today is the 4th day of March. Let's sing our Days of the Week song to figure out what day of the week it is. Days of the week. Days of the week. Snap, snap. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Let me hear ya. Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Clap, clap. Snap, snap. Clap, clap. Let me hear ya. Bigger voice. I can't hear you. Snap, snap. Clap, clap. All right. So today is Thursday, March 4th, 2021. We've started our new pattern, and we have 1 Dr. Seuss hat here, 2 Dr. Seuss hats here, 3 Dr. Seuss hats here, and I'm going to put a clover right there.
Sorry, did you need a box in here?
No, she did it with a cloth. Just for that girl bathroom.
You got that.
Thank you. All right, let's take a look. We said it was going to be windy today, and it is windy out there. It is windy and quite chilly, but there is sun out there. What kind of weather are we going to have tomorrow for Friday? What kind of weather? Sunny. What do we think, Duke? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Going backwards, counting from 10. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! All right, nope. We're sitting on our bottoms. What shape is this? Square. What shape is this? Square. What shape is this one right here? Octagon. What color is my pony? Pink. What color is sadness? Blue. What color is my chocolate? Brown. Our nursery rhyme this week is Mary, Mary. Mary, Mary, quite contrary. How does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row. Go ahead. What number is this? 2. What number is this? 6. Nice big voice. What number is this? 10. I hear you back there. What number is this? 4. Big voices, friends. What is this? 7. How about this one? 1. How about that? What is this? 9. How about this one? 3. What worked on the letter L. F, E, H, T, I, U, magic C, O, N, Q. This week we're working on the letter G. G says g, g, g. Like in gumball, gorilla, girl, and gum. All right, let's go ahead and we're going to get our board set up to make the letter G. Bless you. Welcome. Take out your pieces.
Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top.
Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. At the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. No, it's the bottom. It's the middle. It's the top.
Where do you start your letters at the top?
Reach up. Way up. Is that the top? Yes, it's the top. Reach out and touch the top. Reach down. Way down. Reach out and touch the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle.
Where do you start your letters
At the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Is this the top? No, it's the bottom. Is this the top? No, it's the middle. Is this the top? It's the top.
Where do you start your letters at the
Top. I know. One more.
All right, my friends. So we are starting with the letter G. Your pieces are at the top. And we pick up our big curve, our magic C, and we put it on our mat. After, we take our big C, our magic C, and we put it on our mat. Pick up our magic C, our big curve. Pick up our magic C, our big curve. Pick up our magic C, our big curve. And put it on our mat.
Good job.
And then we're going to pick up our little line. Little line up. Put your little line on your paper. Little line up. Little line up. Good job. Now pick up your last little piece and we put it across the top, making what? What did I make? I made a little T. With my big curve, I made the letter G. I made the letter G. All right, your fingers are at the top. Let's do it together. Your fingers are at the top. And we say, wait a minute, all of our friends. friends, our fingers are at the top. And we say, big curve, little line up, little line across. What letter did you build? G. G, what does G say? G, G, G. All right, one more time. Fingers at the top. Fingers at the top. Friend. Fingers at the top. Here. And we say, big curve, little line up, little line across. Excellent job. All right, that is all for today.